Hello everyone, getting an error message for FACEIT IOMMU is disabled. Don't worry, stick with me, I'll show you exactly how to enable it. Step 1. Check if TPM is already enabled before changing BIOS settings. Press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc. Press enter, you'll see one of two results. TPM is available and enabled gives you you're done. This site should now detect it, TPM is not found or incompatible. TPM not detected gives continue to step 2. Step 2. Restart your PC and enter BIOS. Click F2 or F12 as your PC restarts. Step 3. Enable security device. Support some BIOS versions. ITAPM behind the switch. Look for security device support equals enable. Save and exit. And yes, your PC will reboot again. Once rebooted, go ahead and confirm TPM that 2.0 is now enabled. Once again, go to Windows, Windows plus R, type tpm.msc, press enter, and you should now see the status is ready for use for TPM 2.0. Step 6, open FACEIT and try to log in, and it should no longer show the TPM error. If FACEIT AC is still giving you an OMMU warning, check screen video for more fixes. Thank you for watching.